Hello friends, when I try to something on my Microsoft Word documents, I can't do it. So you can see you can't make this change because the selection is locked. This document is not locked one. So sometimes we can get this type of experience using Microsoft Words. First you can check your document is locked one. So is it a locked one? You can go to the review and restricted editing section. You can unlock it. So but this my document is not a locked one. This is a new one. So when I try to type on Microsoft Word, every times I can't do this. The message is you can't make this change because the selection is locked. So now I am going to tell you how to fix this one. Okay, friends. Then find the Microsoft Office installation folders. Maybe the your C drive. Go to the C drive and find Microsoft Office. Office 6. Then find the Office 60. Sometimes your folders maybe Office 15 according to the versions. Then you can type this. You can find this type of files there. This is the OSP PRE AM file applications files. Then you can run as administrator. uh, I did 3 times this one. Then open the office again and try to type. I think you can type without any troubles. Please try this one, and if you have any question regarding this one, please comment below. Thanks for watching.